Founded in 1956, the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin, works to preserve and celebrate America's rich railroad heritage. As the museum's collection and programs continued to grow, the need for additional space became essential. raSmith provided structural engineering services for a major building expansion, marking the first phase of a long-term master plan to elevate exhibits, education, and visitor experience. At the heart of the new structure is an exposed 3-pin arch system, with pins at the apex and at the foundation connection points. The system incorporates truss elements made of circular steel tubes. Complementary cast steel elements throughout the addition echo this aesthetic while reinforcing the structure. The interior roof deck spans an impressive 28 feet, contributing to the open and expansive interior space while cleverly concealing mechanical and electrical systems. The expansion transforms how visitors engage with railroad history. With new exhibit space, additional storage for preservation, a large classroom, and an adaptable event area, the addition creates a welcoming space that showcases history, supports education, and deepens community involvement.